Chapter 1, Verse 2.
The worlds.
The worlds includes everything that Allah, the Exalted, has created in both worlds. The word worlds in Arabic is derived from a word which indicates that it is a sign testifying to the existence of its creator and to his oneness. Chapter 3, Verse 191.
And give thought to the creation of the heavens and the earth, saying, Our Lord, you did not create this aimlessly. Exalted are you above such a thing.
This reminds Muslims the importance of reflecting on the heavens and the earth. When done correctly, this clearly indicates the oneness of Allah, the Exalted, and His infinite power. For example, if a Muslim ponders over the night and day and how perfectly in sync they are and the other things linked to them, they will truly believe that this is not a random thing, meaning there is a force which ensures everything runs like clockwork. This is the infinite power of Allah, the Exalted. In addition, if one ponders over the perfect timing of the night and day, they will realize it clearly indicates that there is only one God, namely, Allah, the Exalted. If there were more than one God, each God would desire the night and day to occur according to their own desires. This would lead to utter chaos, as one God might desire the sun to rise whereas the other God might desire the night to continue. The perfect uninterrupted system found within the universe proves there is only one God, namely, Allah, the Exalted. Chapter 21, Verse 22.
Had there been within the heavens and earth gods besides Allah, they both would have been ruined.
In addition, the worlds could be referring to every creation found within every time period, meaning each world is a separate time period and Allah, the Exalted, is the Lord of every time period and all the creatures which exist in that time period. Understanding this makes it clear that the teachings of Islam, the religion Allah, the Exalted, has chosen for mankind, is valid and applicable to every time period till the end of time. Therefore, any problem which can occur that affects an individual or an entire society can be solved through the teachings of Islam. Muslims must therefore strive to gain and act on Islamic knowledge in order to benefit from this timeless knowledge.